Welcome back, my people. Well, you know, today is Sunday, almost 2 weeks after the hurricane. This is still the condition of the place. This is in a Clarendon. Yeah, content. Yeah, when I look on this, as you can see, I don't know if you say, but see it there. I cut them off a cut post to catch up the light post. Them have to cut the post to catch up the light post. So this basically I drop down on the road. See there? The place same way in the same condition. The road them not clean out, you know. Same way as you can see. Yeah. So, you know, people, citizens kind of chop down them like a bamboo and thing, and, you know. Yeah, citizens have to get together and try to, you know, so them can do with all of these things. I tell you. So this is one of the latest updates from where I go on, you know. These almost 2 weeks now after the hurricane. Yeah, and the condition, the officer remain the same, you know. So honestly, I not even know where I go on. I don't know where I go on right now, but everywhere you look, yeah, place not the same condition. You know, the road them not clean out. I don't know where I go on, but
By Tom and Patience Bakery.
yeah, the landslide them still in the road, same way.
650.
You know,
Caribbean Airlines Reggae Songfest and
the road not clear out.
Jamaica Rum Festival.
See, them just a little walkway them make, you know what, you hardly can go through and your vehicle now creep up. See them the same way. So, yeah, as you can see, my people, turn down the radio. As you can see, it's just a little, this look like a little walkway. Them cut out, you know. So, I don't know if it will clear up or what, you know, but I just showing we still are going at the same condition, you know. You know. So, I don't know my people. See them there. As you can see them, basically did it the same way. So everything in the road same way as you can see. Yeah. So we still in a bad condition. See it there. So this is what we face. Around the Clarendon the same way. You know. See it there. Alright. So yeah, so that it's same way. You know the road condition. We in a diamond now. You know? Yeah. So as I say, everything kind of remain the same. You know? So I just go on a little update pan where I go on after the hurricane same way. You know? So, you know, community member come together and do what them can do. You know, get rid of some of the things them. But, yeah. Well, this in tear down in the road. So, this clear road, that is good. You know. Yeah. Alright, my people, so this are the conditions, see there. And the light wire. Yeah, you can see the light. You see this height? So that are the light posts in the road. This kind of dangerous. When I say dangerous, this really dangerous. See it there? A catching up thing. So you can't look for anything happen at any time where it fall down. You know? Yeah. Alright my people, so as I say, I go and look update on we still are going. Yeah, so see it the wire them down in the road same way. No light all I know. You know, but you know them are work still, so probably we soon get back the light, but as I say, everything kind of still remain the same one way, landslide and everything, you know, so we just have to go and bear it out and, you know, yeah, so I say it's still the light, the wire them down, yeah, so I can see, so, you know, we just bear with the system, we know man them at work, you know, yeah. But a lot of places we turn bad get back current already still. But as I say, we just have to work with the system and work with them. You know, but we just are going to look updates still on what go on. Yeah. So remember to like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Alright my people.